I asked my friend who has been living in Korea for 6 years. He barely speaks any Korean, but he gets by. These were the list that he gave me. Hello! No, at least this before you come to Korea. 1. 저기요. We say 저기요 when you are calling someone you don't know. Like, excuse me. You can use it places like restaurants, stores where you need to get help. 2. 영어 되세요? 돼. This means, can you speak Korean? Ugh. This means, can you speak English? Ask people whether they can speak English or not before you talk to them in English on the street. 3. 잠깐만요. Same as wait up. 4. 감사합니다. It's the most polite way to say thank you. 감사합니다. 5. 죄송합니다. If you feel like the pronunciation is a bit hard, you can say 미안해요. I asked my friend who has been living in Korea for 6 years. He barely speaks any Korean, but he gets by. These were the list that he gave me. So if you're afraid to come to Korea, and just try these out, you'll be fine. And if you are having too much trouble in English, download some translation apps, and then you can just simply show it to them. And they will try to tell you. So let's recap. 저기요, 영어 되세요? 잠깐만요. 감사합니다. 죄송합니다. 미안해요. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.